Hey guys, it's Cadmy here. Today we have this Barbie Chelsea fun house! Whoa! Let's open it! We're gonna get everything out and see what we have. It's Barbie Chelsea's fun house! Peekaboo! Whoa! Look what they're doing right now. They're doing the peekaboo station. Wow! Whoa! So it's like you don't see them, but now you do! Peekaboo! Look at them. They can come right here. Come on, Chelsea. And her little stuffed animal, which is Bunny, the blue bunny. He's on 2 chairs because he's not that tall. And look at Chelsea. Wow, look at her. She has her makeup on. She has her blonde hair, of course. She has her shirt with 3 cotton candies. And a skirt with polka dots. Wow. And look, these blue shoes. They're so cute. And the bunny's mostly just blue. Haha. And look here, it looks like a flower table. Wow. And there's actually 2 chairs that they can sit on. One, Chelsea. And the other one, the bunny. And they can eat lunch. But it's actually different. You can turn this into a table and into a ball pit. Let's look at it. Are you ready? There's like this hole so you can put your finger. See, I can put my finger in. And then we pick it up. And then you see magical balls. Wow! But it doesn't actually like move around, which is okay. But it looks so cool, right? And let's get Chelsea in, of course. This is her fun house. Whoop. Oh, they're just like laying down. Yeah. But look at this. We have more. Oh, look, it's a working elevator. Let's try it. Come on, let's go. So this pink one over here, this is for her to hold the legs. And this orange is to hold her waist. But mostly I like using the legs only. See, you don't even need the waist holder. Here we go. Woo. There. It snaps up, and now we can go. There she goes, and she'll wait down here for her bunny. She loves her stuffed bunny. Maybe the bunny can go on the waist instead now. Or maybe not. Or maybe yes! It's a stuffed animal holder instead. Come on. Yay! And now look here. It's a fun mirror. That says Chelsea! Now let's get her up. And let's you look. You will look funky! It's silly. Look at her! She looks so weird. Look at that. And now let's look at the bunny's turn. It's Bunny. Let's get the chair so we can see. Here we go. Look at the bunny. Wow. And now I can look at myself. Let's move the bunny. Oh my goodness, my head is so big. But I have one mouth. It's very small. Ah! Weird. I look so weird. Now, let's do the slide. Here we go. Oh, wait. Let's move the ball pit so they can fall in the ball pit. Here we go. Here comes Chelsea. Here we go. Come on. See, we can't get her in. Oh, there she goes. Let's move her right here. And now the bunny, blue bunny, and it's gonna jump. Whoa! Nice. Now I have 2 surprise eggs, and they are Paw Patrol. I'm gonna see. Let's take a slide down the slide. Here we go. Here goes the purple. Oh, they can! And the blue. Whoa! Oh, that one got in. Let's try the purple one. Come on. This is gonna be so cool. I love surprise eggs because they have surprises. And I love surprises. Yeah, come on. Yay! Ooh, come on. I really want to see what it is. It's Sky! Sky! Yay! Pink! Let's open this blue one. Okay. Oh, there. Ooh, 2 colors again. Oh, okay, good thing this is a different one. I guess I can see some people around here. Oh, this is... Come on. This is Chase. Now let's let them slide. And whoa! Now there's so much of the animals. There's 3 animals. Ah! There. Yay! And it also comes with a DVD. Isn't that cool? It looks so cute. Look at that. So many goodies. Yeah. It's really fun. And I really like the ball pit because it looks so cool. And when it's the table, it looks like a flower table. Isn't that amazing? And I love this fun mirror because I never had one in my house. It just looks so cool when you look at yourself in the mirror. It's really, really fun. Thank you guys for watching. Don't subscribe. Watch it for more videos. And don't forget to click the subscribe button down below. Yeah!